Okay, campers, it's a beautiful spring day in gorgeous Destin, Florida, and we are camping in our tag at the U.S. Army MWR Destin campgrounds. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside and tell you if you're in this area and you're DOD or retired or active duty, it's a great place to stay. It's right on Choctawhatchee Bay. In addition to the campsite, they do have like a hotel room, cabins, and little cottages that you can rent as well. Lots of activities from boating to swimming, kids' recreation areas as well. Very nice spot. This is the entrance to the campground. Pretty small site, only about 45 or 50 places for Class A's all the way down to Class C's and little tow behinds as well. And they're pretty close together, but it is quiet and it is very scenic on Choctawhatchee Bay. Here's our site, and as you can see, there's cottages right behind our camp spot. But it's nice and shaded, nice trees. Again, fairly close to one another, but not too bad for a couple of days. So far, so good. Beautiful weather. All right, here's a picture of some of the facilities. You got a bathhouse and laundry room, along with men's and ladies' showers and bath. Nice pavilion in front of them. And again, just a shot of the RV sites. Nice little trees. Kind of close, like I said, but not bad at all. Here's some more amenities, just about 30 yards from the RV park. You got a nice swing set for the kids. Choctawhatchee Bay right in front of us. And here's a shot of the Choctawhatchee Bay, about 100 yards from the RV park. Beautiful location, super easy to access from the RV park. As you can see, a beautiful day to be camping. About a mile from the campground or less is famous MWR's Irish Pub. If you come down and stay, you'll definitely want to visit MWR's. Have a great meal with good prices and excellent volume of food. Check it out if you're down here. All right, there is a reason Northwest Florida is called the Emerald Coast. Aptly named because of its emerald green waters. You're looking at the infamous Crab Island. On a good summer's day, probably 500, 600 boats anchor out there on the island, and there's lots of music, lots of entertainment, and crystal clear emerald waters. Today, as you can see in the background, there's probably only 100 boats. This spot is about a 30-minute walk or a 10-minute bike ride from the Army Rec Center RV lots. Beautiful little walk through quaint town with sidewalks and new and older restored homes. Great place to visit. All right, a quick 10-minute drive from the park is the Harbor Walk Village with all kind of unique stuff to do. It's more of a tourist area, but if you want to come to Destin and see all the sights and sounds, come to Harbor Walk Village. Great places to eat and unique things to see and do, including a zip line. Okay, this is a water tower in Destin, just down from the park, RV park. I'd say come visit the park. It's more of an urban type camp setting with tons of stuff to see and do within walking and biking and certainly by car. But really cool place, lots to do and see, but you're not going to be out in the woods. So hope you enjoy. Like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time.